Welcome back to Lessons Learned. Happy New Year to you and your family. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. It has been some time, and I just wanted to take some time to give you an update about what's been going on. If you're anything like me, life sure has been pretty hectic in this last little while. So I've been busy. I've actually been in school. I'm completing a nurse practitioner program. I've been in that program for the past 2 years or so, off and on. So that's taken quite a bit of time and focus. My son is graduating this year, so we've been doing a lot of SAT studying and prep, scholarship searching, essay writing, college searching, tours, even some visits. So it's been a really hectic time. However, in that time, I have still been creating. I've been active in the youth ministry of my church. I've been doing different things on the side. And of course, I still make cards to encourage people. So I'll be sharing with you some of the crafts that I made from my card ministry, from my work with the youth ministry at church, and just random other things in the next coming weeks. So stay tuned. I'm going to be producing more content as I am able, but rest assured that it'll be rich content, something that I know will inspire you to make change, to create beauty and encouragement in whatever year you may. And finally, before I go, I have to give a big, huge shout out to Kelly from the Ulta in Pembroke Pines. Kelly took me under her wing and kind of got me all the way together. I am into basic makeup, not too much, but Kelly was great. She was super knowledgeable, professional, and most of all, patient. So thank you very much, Kelly. You did an awesome job. I hope I made you proud. I tried to incorporate some of the things that you said, but I'm gonna keep at it. I'm gonna keep practicing. That's one of my goals for this year, to get better in that area. So thank you so much, Kelly. Take care. Take care, and God bless. Bye-bye.